Okay, we're at Timberland Acres RV Park in Trenton, Maine, site 246. Yep, we're up here near Bar Harbor again. That's the site we got. We are on our 10th day, day 10. We're next to the pavilion right now. They're having a party, birthday party. What could I do? You know, they're having birthday parties. Look at these sites. This is where they put the travelers. This is the traveler section. They got big, long pull-throughs. You can see here where this Integra is from Texas. And the Solitude. Very nice long sites here. I'm on an end site. My site's not as long, and there's other issues. I'll tell you about that later. And you can see these are all along the line here. Big, long pull-throughs. There's actually 2 rows of these. There's another row behind us. Actually, there's 2 rows behind us of sites. I think the back row is back in. But they're nice and long, and they're flat. Very flat. And then along this side, they have back ends. As you can see where this Discovery is. Some sites are shorter, like where the Southwind is. So this is July 7th, and let me tell you, for 4th of July, they weren't full. I mean, look, this is Sunday. Most people left. Those sites are all empty. Those back ends. Easy to get to. It's right off 3. It's a little bit farther to the park from here than the other campgrounds that are on the island. You know, but this is the kind of site you get when you're me. The biggest problem was when we first got here, I hooked up the power, and you're not gonna believe it, they showed 140 volts and it wouldn't let the power in. Of course, thank God my transfer switch and surge protector doesn't allow anything above 132 volts. That was one line. The other line was below 90. So of course I called them to come and check it, and they thought it was just a breaker problem. He did admit to me later that they had lightning strike that building 4 days before I got here. Lightning struck right there. It ended up that it wasn't a breaker. He had to call in the Calvary. The electric company came and replaced all those connections. They replaced the breaker box, and they somehow finagled the neutral line so that it would work safely. That was the problem. That took all day Friday. He did reimburse me for Friday. So this is the other side of the site. And then here's all the other sites that are pull through. Very nice. Yeah, that back row is a pull through too. All flat. They're out in the open. So you better have your air conditioners working. You need good power for that, don't you? Okay, I'll show you some more. Okay, here's some more of the traveler sites. These are shaded right in here as you come in. This is the entrance way right up here. It's a bit of a ways. I'm not going to walk all the way to the entrance. Not on this video. And most of these up in here look like they're all seasonals. All through here. So there's, I'd say, 3/4 of the park, or half the park, is seasonal, and the rest is up here are travelers. I'm not gonna do much more on this campground because of the power issue I had. I'm not sure about the other sites, but after they did fix my power, we did have pretty low voltage when we put some things on. You know, when you got your air conditioners on, you're down to 112 volts. That's not good from 120. So there's definitely a problem, but you know, what are you gonna do? I don't run the place, but I doubt I'll come back. If you want to come here, and maybe mine's a one-off, I don't know. Other than that, it's a decent campground. But you know, I have 50,000 hours in electronics in my motorhome, and you know, 140 volts could destroy things. Thank God I have a system. You know, get yourself a Hughes Watchdog automatic shut off. They'll shut you off. if you don't have that transfer switch like I got. That's about what I'm going to say about this place. This is Timberland Acres RV Park in Trenton, Maine. See ya.